friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw spaghetti Tualetti from Steel Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with our eyes. So from the middle, stepping over on the left hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle. And then leaving a gap, we're going to move across on the right hand side, replicating that. Now on the inside corner, let's draw in another circle for the pupil. On the top left hand side now, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And now let's just color in our eyes black. Now let's move in towards the middle, drawing in a straight line across. And then we're going to extend this out on both sides. We're going to round this out on the side, bringing that up. And then we're going to flatten this out by bringing this in towards our eyes again, extending this all the way through. Let's draw the spaghetti on the top here. So right in the middle, we're going to curve this line over. We're going to curve this line around and back down. On the bottom of this, curving this line back through. And then now from here, we're going to draw in two curved lines coming up. On the top of this again, we're going to round this out, curving this over, stepping down, replicating that, curving that across. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line down. Again, drawing in a smaller one, curving this through. Now as we step up, arching this around and through towards the side. And then we're just going to curve this line up and then back down. Now let's move over, curving that down. Coming underneath this line here, we're going to curve this line through towards our eye. And then stepping in, let's replicate that. Now from here, let's draw in a small diagonal line coming across. On the bottom here, let's arch this over. Now on the top where we have this gap, we're going to close this off, curving this down. And then stepping in, let's replicate that again. Now to the right of this, curving this down. Again, as we move up. And then again, one more time. Now let's come down and draw in the mouth. So we're going to draw in a curved line from the left and right hand side. And then now from here, we're just going to tuck this in, curving this down towards the bottom, and we're just going to leave a gap. We're going to draw in the teeth now. So on the left hand side, curving this in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now from that point again, let's bring this down and up towards the center on both sides. Let's draw in some spaghetti coming down. So on the right hand side, we're going to extend this past this line, curving this out, down, around, and in. And then we're going to bring this back up, curving this around, following that pattern, tucking that over on the side. Now to the left of this, we're going to come down, curving this out, around, down, and then in. Now on the top, let's curve this down, around, and through on the side. And then to the left of this, curving this up, around, and down. Now from the right hand side again, we're going to curve this around, bringing that in. And then we're going to curve this back down and through. Let's draw in some more spaghetti on the inside here. So we're going to curve a small line across, coming up again, replicating that. And then we're going to draw in two curved lines coming up. And then just one more right in the center here. Let's close off the tongue behind this. So we're going to curve this up and down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, bringing that over. Now let's draw in the fork. So we're going to draw in two straight lines coming down, ending those at the same height. And then we're going to curve this out and down on the left and right hand side. Now we're going to curve this across, bringing this down and back up. And then we're going to join 3 straight lines coming up towards the top. Now to the left of this, we're going to bring this down, around, back in. We'll do the same on the right, bringing this down, around, and through. And then we're going to tuck this down, up, down, and back up. Now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this down, over, and through. Let's draw in 2 curved lines coming down on the top here. We're going to bring this line back out. We're going to scoop this around, doing that twice. And then again, we're just going to curve this out and back in. Now let's draw on the toilet bowl. So coming in behind, we're going to curve this around and through on the left. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Now from the front on the side, tucking this in. Now let's come down on both sides underneath, scooping that through towards the middle. And then we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out. Let's move in behind, curving this around and down. And now let's close off the side of the toilet. So stepping in, we're going to bring this down, tucking that in on the side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And now lastly, we just have to draw in the arms. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and up. Let's move down again on the bottom, closing that off. Now for the wrist, we're going to curve this over and back through. Now let's move up for the thumb, curving this around and down. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this over and across. Let's come up for the pointer finger now, and we're going to curve this line around and down. And now from this line, we're just going to draw in a small curved line across. Let's connect the pointer finger to the hand now. Let's step up again in the center, curving this around and down. And then for the pinky, curving this up, around, and back in. And then just closing off the side of the hand, curving this around and through towards the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw spaghetti Tualetti. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.